Oke.
Baik, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Aman. So, hello friend, in this occasion, on a presentation about my portfolio. But before we continue, I will introduce myself first. So, my name is Harfi Kafi. You can call me Harfi. I'm from Nigeria, especially in 90 class. So, this is the first I saw that is my cover of the portfolio. And then next there is the what is inside of the portfolio. So the first there is the introduction, and then second is the CV or curriculum vitae, and then third there is game project, website project, moment project, IT project, and Android project, English project, business project, and then the last is achievement and experience. So this is the first page. There is introduction. This I introduce myself, my name, and there's the description like Harfi Juman Kafi, boy in dynamic zone that likes design. And then next there is CV or curriculum vitae. So there is the CV from 2023 until 2026. I in General High School in SMP Ideal Boarding School, and then there is IDN teaching. I teach in the SDIT Nur Al-Rahman, and then SMP Nur Al-Rahman. And then there is I joining the competition in forward phase. I joined the M hockey competition that in school Alfitan school. And then there is contact me. There is my number and then Gmail, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And then there is my software skill like this graphic design, app development, 3D design, and photo. And then so we go to the first project, that is game project. So this is my game project from 7th grade, that is catching free. So I make it this project with Scratch. This game like we are catching the fall fruit, then we must to catch the fruit down the metal. And then the second, there is the manners game. This is the manners about manners before we are asleep. The inside of the game, like there is the doa before sleep, and then doa after sleep, and then the others. And then the next there is take me out, and then with scratch. Then there's breaker, and then there is the defender. I make it with what really game. And then the next we go to the website project. So in the website project, I make it my personal website with WordPress. And then there is also make it school website about SDIT Persis Tarogong. I make it this website with website. And then last website project, I make it website about Mos Raya Al Jabar. This I make it with Pantheon. And then we go to the next project, that is multimedia. So the first in the multimedia project, I make it illustration. This is project I take the picture from the printers, and then I put it into the Figma, and then I pencil all of the picture. And then the second, there is infographic design. This is same. I make it with Figma about promo food, that is kebab. And then the next, there is design poster. This is I make about three keutamaan sholat duha. And then there is visual merchandise, or then there is the last is UI design. I make it the UI UX is about Swiftcart. Swiftcart is like UI e-commerce. I make it with my team, with Abarka, Eda, and Fawaz. And then the next, we go to the robotic IoT project. So this is the first, I make it the microbit, and then second is sumo robot design, sumo robot, and then there is the line follower Ichibot. Then there is one again line follower Ichiduino, and then last project, that is smart home. So go to the next project. There is Android project. The first one, I make it the project is about name card app. It's like my contact. There is my home, and then there is my Gmail, and then my project certificate, and then also there is calculation apps, and then find my age app, and then talk to my apps, and then with Takwa apps. This is I make it with Takwa with Flutter. And then we go to the next project. There is English project. So the first one, I make it short movie with my friend. Then the next is make a podcast with my friend Christian about school, like between normal school or boarding school. And then next, there is final project, that like I presentation in front of my friend. And then there is study plan, that's like I explaining about my journey of study. And then there is lecturing about time management. And then the next, there is Dina project. So this is the first, is poster attitude about menjenguk orang sakit. Then the next, there is poster akidah, and then there is tajwid, there is reading Al-Quran, and then zikir salat, and then make it story about Abu Bakar journey. And then the next is we go to the experience. So the first experience, that is Endurance. I go to Kota Tua with my friends. And then also there is leadership camp when we are 7th grade. And then there is Mission Impossible and teaching. Go to Daku School, and then teaching go to SD Itainul Ar-Rahman, then teaching go to SMP Nur Ar-Rahman, and then this same teaching go to Daku School. Then also for I tell you about I joining competition in hockey in Forest Fest, and then also I joining competition and hockey again in Asalam Fest, and then also hockey competition in Al Huda Fest, and then last is I joining hockey competition in Smerinkaska Fest in Solo. So okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I had some mistake. Thus I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.